talagang makikita nyo ang failure of this president, no, to apply the basic concepts of logic and the very basic premises of constructing a convincing argument, no, to a point na katawa-tawa na talaga siya na and he did it doon sa almost 1,000 lawyers. Nakakahiya.
Nakikita niyo po ba na hindi na misinformed or hindi na pagsabihan or mali ang sulsol ng mga consultant or kung sino man yung mga advisor niya sa kanyang naging mga pahayag recently? Dahil maliban po dyan sa issue ng drug test, nabanggit din niya doon sa speech, talumpati niya, na talagang nanindigan na walang blanco doon sa 2025 budget, na kahit na sa kabilahan ng mga pag-amin na mismo na meron niyang blanco doon sa BICAM report.
Well, I think he is now informed. Maybe he wasn't that informed when he called PRRD a liar, no? Dahil wala ngang blanco sa GAA. Pero ngayon, dapat sana alam na niya na people are talking about the bicameral conference report na may mga blanco. The petition filed by Congressman Ungab and Attorney Vic Rodriguez is precisely assailing that portion of the budget process. Pero itong si Bongbong Marcos, I mean, you know, he has the guts, no? He has the gall and the audacity to tell thousands, no, in fact 700 or even 1,000 or so lawyers of the Integrated Bar of the Philippines, some of whom are lecturers, retired justices, judges, and even in active service, no, na wala talaga siyang nakikitang blanco sa GAA. And nagyabang pa nga siya that he read 4,057 pages of the 4 volumes of the General Appropriations Act. At ang Admar, ito, kanina flawed yung logic niya about the hair follicle drug testing. After this one, ganon din, he also stated a logical fallacy, a very flawed logic. Why? Kasi ang sabi niya, wala talaga kaming nakitang blanco, although hahanapin daw nila, we will continue looking for it, but I'm sure, I'm not quoting him verbatim, pero parang sabi niya, I'm sure na walang blanco because they are not allowed to exist. Therefore, they do not exist, or they do not exist simply because they are not allowed to exist. That's a flawed logic. Kung sasabihin niya na walang blanco kasi hindi allowed na may blanco, no? Therefore, hindi nag-i-exist ang mga blanco. It's the same as saying na walang shabu dahil hindi allowed ang shabu. Pero we all know that shabu exists. So, talaga makikita nyo ang failure of this president, no, to apply the basic concepts of logic and the very basic premises of constructing a convincing argument, no, to a point na katawa-tawa na talaga siya na and he did it doon sa almost 1,000 lawyers. Nakakahiya.